Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Jowar soup. To begin, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 1 cup of Jowar flour, 2 cups of water, and 1/4 cup of your favorite mixed vegetables. Also, prepare 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and 2 tablespoons of oil. Don't forget salt to taste and fresh coriander for a delightful garnish. This simple list sets the stage for a healthy and delicious meal. Now let's build the flavor foundation for our soup. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a sturdy pan over medium heat. Once warm, add 1/2 teaspoon of cumin seeds and allow them to splutter for just a few seconds, releasing their aroma. Next, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and sauté it gently until it becomes wonderfully fragrant, which usually takes about 30 seconds. This step is crucial for a rich, aromatic base. With our aromatic base ready, it's time to bring the soup together. Pour in 2 cups of water and add 1/4 cup of your mixed vegetables. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 5 minutes, allowing the vegetables to soften slightly. Now, gradually whisk in 1 cup of Jowar flour, ensuring you stir continuously to prevent any lumps from forming. This creates a smooth, creamy texture. Almost there. Continue to simmer your Jowar soup for another 5 to 7 minutes, allowing it to thicken to your desired consistency. This ensures all the flavors meld beautifully. Now it's time to season with salt to taste. Feel free to adjust it to your personal preference. Finally, garnish generously with fresh, chopped coriander leaves. Serve your warm, comforting Jowar soup immediately and enjoy this wholesome, homemade delight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.